I am done. I am done. The last time I saw this, I was in Barcelona. Jamón serrano. Aquí mismo en el Caribe. I'm done. This is wonderful. And assortment of cheeses. This is a place to be. Oh my God. How have I been denying myself all of this wonderful goodness all this time? It is sacrilege. I am loving it. My meal prep will take a whole new dimension. And of course, olivas, salchichón. Ay, todo lo que a mí me gusta. Hostia. Estoy otra vez en España. Ay, mira, qué delicia. Y todo que de verdad a mí me gusta. Wow.